Hi, my name's Tanner, and thank you for taking the Introduction to Python Programming course. I'm really excited, so let's get right into it. Who is this class for? It's really for anyone who's interested in learning how to program, people who want to get right into the code instead of installing a bunch of stuff. We go right into it using an online compiler, so all you need is access to the internet. And ideally, it's for people who don't have any prior programming knowledge or very little, because we're going to get really basic and go over the very fundamentals of programming. So the structure of the course, we're first going to, get started, learn the compiler we're going to use, and just basics of programming, learning variables and different data types in Python. Then we're going to go into logic and loops and how we can use those in our algorithms. We're then going to go into functions, defining functions, creating our own and calling them. Then we're going to go into recursion a little bit. And then we're going to go into the basics of object-oriented programming and understanding why we actually create objects in programming and what they're really useful for. And what if you have any questions? Well, first, Google is your friend. Don't be afraid to Google anything. Chances are if you have a question, someone else has also had that question, and there's probably an answer somewhere online. Stack Overflow is great, so when you Google a question, a lot of the time Stack Overflow will be one of the first threads that pop up in your search. It's a great resource, and then you can also ask in the Q&A section of this class, and either another student or I will help and answer the question for you. So I'm excited. Let's start and get right into it.